Good morning and welcome back in your computer class, children. Jai Hind all. Now today we are going to read opening an attachment. How to we can open the added attachment in the mail. So for this we have to open your email account, and I have already opened my email account, and look this email. This trial mail is subject. Here is an attachments is showing. So if you want to open this attachment, so you have to click this file. This is PDF, and you know, children, you can also send this Excel file, documentation file, PDF, JPG, all the formats of files you can send by email. Okay, so how to open it file and how to download this file, let's see. Now to open this file, click on this file. So after some times these files will open like that. Okay, so we are able to open this file, and if you want to download in your device, in the upper right corner this is a download symbol. When we click on it, so this file will be downloaded. Now look like this. Here the file will be downloaded in download folder, and from the download folder you can access your file. Okay. Now in the next we will read about replying and forwarding emails. Okay, so suppose I want to reply this mail. Okay, so click on it. Now there are two options, there's reply and forward. If you want to reply this mail to the sender, so you have to choose the reply option and write your reply. Okay, and click on send button. This text will be sent the senders. Okay, just like it, you can give the reply to the sender. Okay, now if you want to forward this message to the another person, suppose click on it, and if you want to forward this message, this mail to the another email address, so this times you have to choose the forward, and when we click the forward, the two options, you have to write the email ID of the receiver person like that. Okay, and after it you can click on the send. The mail will be sent to the selected email address. So this is a basic difference, children, so reply and forward. After it we can read the delete email. How the delete email? So choose the your email, choose the mail which you want to delete from your account. Suppose I want to delete the first mail. Now click over here, the tick marks will be appear, and the above side the delete icons will be there, and click on it. Now conversion move to the trash. So after some times this mail will be deleted from our account. Now children's, you have to also know about those mails we have delete. We can access from the trash options. How can you recover your email if accidentally deleted? Suppose I don't want to delete my account, but accidentally my mails deleted by mistake. So how to recover? So from the trash options we can recover from the deleted mail. Now click on more. Now look like the drag, then the trash button is here. When we click the trash button, it's look like a recycle bin of the mail. Now you can see these mails will be there, and if you want to recover this mail, now if you want to recover this mail in inbox, so click this mail and click on the move to button. When we click the move to button, then choose the inbox. Okay, now click on the inbox button. So this mail will be deleted from the trash and it will be go to inbox again. Now check your inbox. Yes, these mails will be here. Okay, so from this you can restore your mails if you accidentally deleted from the list. Now at last in the chapter, how to close your mail account. Once finished working, children, with your email account, it is important to sign out from your account and close the mail box, avoid it misuse by the anyone else. So how to do it? Click on the Google account. Here is your Google account. Now click on the Google account, and when we click the Google account, the sign buttons will be there. Click to the sign out. From this way you can close your email account from your devices. Okay, I hope you will understood all the things which was read in this video. Okay, I hope you will be better understood and you will able to better work in Gmail. Okay, bye bye, take care.